Let's start. Today we will see how to plot some other different stocks candles on the current chart. This is an indicator function with a name, show different stocks candles. Here we let the user select the stock name, whose candles he wants to plot on the current chart. The default stock name is Tesla. Here we use the security function to calculate the daily open, high, low, and close data of that selected stock. Here the first argument is the stock name. The second argument is the daily time frame. You may choose a different time frame if you want. The third argument is the open, high, low, and close values. This indicator is designed to be used at the end of the day, that is why I haven't written bracket 1 in front of these open, high, low, and close values. If you wish to use this indicator at the real market time, make sure you write bracket 1 like this. Otherwise, this indicator would repaint while working in real time. To understand the indicator repainting issue, please watch that particular tutorial. The link to that tutorial is given in the description. The fourth argument handles the gaps. And the fifth argument handles the bar merge. Here we calculate the color of the candle. If the candle is bullish, we color it green. If the candle is bearish, we color it red. Otherwise, we color it white. And finally, we use the plot candle function. The first four arguments are the open, high, low, and close values of that selected stock. And the final argument is the candle color. Let's add this indicator to the chart. As we had selected Tesla as the default stock name, let's see if our candles and the original Tesla stock's candles match or not. Here you can see that all the candles match perfectly, and the open, high, low, and close values are also the same. Now, let's choose a different stock. As you can see, now we are seeing Google's candlestick chart, while being on the Tesla chart above. So that's it. That's how you can plot different stocks' candlesticks on the current chart. Thank you.